Hi, my name is Paresh, and this is my wife Jyotsna, and this is our sweet little baby, just 2 days? Just 2 days old now. And it has been a very wonderful experience over here at Healthy Mothers. And it all started with us coming to Dr. Vijaya, talking to her. And the first day when I met her, I was totally satisfied that I want to go. I want Dr. Vijaya to take care of the whole labor, and from her I came to know about this Lamaze classes, which both of us attended, and I think we had attended when you were 7 months pregnant, right? So she was 7 months pregnant by then, and we attended the class with so many other couples, and we came to know about so many things which we never even knew. And obviously we are staying at Hyderabad, far from our family, so it is our first child and we didn't know anything. So Dr. Vijaya took us through each and everything, and there were so many interactions, videos and interactive classes, how to go through the labor, how to take care after the baby is born, and what to do throughout the labor, what to eat, what not to eat, and how to take care of yourself. There were so many myths that we had in mind which were all removed. And finally, when the day came, day before yesterday, during the labor, when we were over here, everything counted of the class. All that we learned over there actually helped us through. I mean, as far as I know, I was present throughout the labor with my wife, and by the end of the labor, I had a very different feeling. I think I had something amazing in my hands, plus the feeling that I have for my wife is totally different now. And after, what I think is, when I attended the Lamaze class especially, I knew exactly what I had to do, and the support and the people over here are so amazing, without whom this wouldn't have been possible. I would actually like to thank everyone, especially Dr. Vijaya, Crystal, Premlata, and so many other people whom I don't even know. I'm sorry about that, but this whole experience has been amazing. And I know it was very difficult for you, but I don't think she actually remembers what happened in the labor. But she showed a lot of courage, and all the talkings with Vijay and Crystal, myself, it helped a lot. And finally we had a present, which I can't even say what kind of feeling I had for the first time I held this baby in my hand. So if anybody who is watching this video, all the husbands especially, they should attend these classes, and they should be with their wife during the course of labor. And it's an amazing experience. Yes, it is time taking during the labor. It looks like it's ages, but it is wonderful. It is wonderful. When the baby looks at you for the first time, you will come to know what I'm talking about. And would you like to say something?
Yeah, sure. Like my husband told that we have been attending the Lamaze classes. I was told about Lamaze through one of my friends, and I came to Dr. Vijaya. We talked about many other things as well. And the Lamaze classes, please believe me, it's a big time myth buster. All the midwives' tales, all the things that doctors nowadays they take for granted. There are so many things that we came to know that they are not even required. And there are so many things that are being played with us. After all, this is our body. We are human beings. Even though if we are pregnant, that doesn't make us even less human. So doctors, many a times they like to do experiments with our body, and we got to know about so many things which are required and which are not required. So at least it helped me to prepare my mind. Yes, it is labor. The name itself suggests that it means hard work. So prepare yourself for the hard work. Don't give up. At the end of the tunnel, there is a reward waiting. And that is what happened with me. And during the labor, that's true. I don't remember exactly each and every second, but I remember in the mid of the labor, I was really irritated. I was really angry. I wanted to do things, in which he gave me a booster dose and I went through it. But the best part was the kind of patience that Dr. Vijaya showed me at that time. throughout the labor, she was sitting on the floor there, no matter in what position I want to take my labor, no matter where exactly I want to take my labor, she was always there with me, and that was the best part. I think that is the reason that I would like to come back. I mean, it's just been 2 days that I've delivered the baby, but ever again, if I want to go for it, I would definitely love to come back here.
And you know, this is the most important thing which I want to share right now with you. This is the second day, and my wife is sitting perfectly fine. I mean, I have my relatives, I have my friends with whom I've seen who lie on the bed, but it's amazing to see my wife smiling over here. Yes, there are some medications which are going on, but it is nothing. I mean, she looks perfectly fine. And the main important thing is, during the whole course of labor and birth, I never felt that I was in hospital. I never felt it like that. It was totally homely experience.
It was a very cozy experience.
And the support, actually. I don't know how you guys manage it, but it is amazing. I really like it, and I really love it.